What's up, guys? Today we're going to discuss, is skateboarding a sport or is skateboarding a religion? So skateboarding is great exercise. It's really my only form of exercise, and it keeps you in good shape. It keeps you young and healthy. But skateboarding is also dogmatic. Skateboarding definitely has its own 10 commandments, and if you don't abide by those rules, people are going to judge you, just like they would in church. Number 1, don't wear pads. Number 2, don't snake your brother or sister. To snake somebody means to pull out in front of them when you're skateboarding at the skate park. Number 3, which should have been number 1, love skateboarding with all your heart. People die for skateboarding. I don't know if I should really say they die for skateboarding or if they die because of skateboarding. Like in Christianity, all the disciples and the apostles, they died because they would not deny Jesus, and they wouldn't deny that he rose from the dead and that they were eyewitnesses to that. So with skateboarding, they don't really die because they won't denounce skateboarding or deny skateboarding. They die because they're skateboarding themselves. So maybe they die because of skateboarding. But people still hold skateboarding so close to their heart if they've been skating for a long time, and they don't like it when you disrespect the skate park. I know that really upsets me when people are spray painting stuff on the skate park, or when people are driving their cars through the mud and driving it on the skate park and getting mud everywhere, or riding their bikes through the mud and all over. If people disrespect the skate park, it does upset me. It has a special place in my heart. Some people do make skateboarding their religion, and they worship it. And I am definitely guilty of that. There have been times in my life where I would eat, breathe, sleep, skateboarding, and just think about it all the time. I'm guilty of putting skateboarding first in my life before. So yeah, people make it into their religion. I'm thinking about doing a video showing all the different exercises you could do with a skateboard to show how good skateboarding is for exercise and staying in shape. It makes you feel young. I feel like I'm 14 and I'm old. So skateboarders are dogmatic, they're in good shape, but they're also artistic. Skateboarding is an art form. It's very expressive and creative, but it's also just a grown man, usually sometimes a young woman or young man, riding a toy, a piece of wood with wheels on it. It is a child's plaything. You know, it's like a grown man driving a remote control car around the park. It's the same thing. It's a person playing with a toy. But yet it's so much more. It's an art form, it's a religion, it's a sport, it's crazy. So what is skateboarding? What is skateboarding to you? What does it mean to you? Let me know in the comments section below what skateboarding means to you. Has it changed your life? Has it made you treat people better than before you started skateboarding? Has it helped you meet friends? What has skateboarding done to you? That is my question for today. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.